Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Robert, and in this video, I will talk about Solana Airdrop and how to get tokens in just a couple of minutes. If this is your first time here, click on the subscribe button to join our crypto family and keep up to date with all issues related to cryptocurrency. As you guys know, the field of crypto airdrop is full of new opportunities. In this video, we will talk about the new Solana Airdrop service. Solana Airdrop has launched a new service for all its users. If you are the owner of Solana or are engaged in decent activities on Solana, you will be eligible to receive tokens. For example, if you have Solana coin, you will immediately receive $400 from your savings, as usual. Check out all the materials related to the airdrop event by clicking on the links in the description and in the comments section. Solana is a decentralized computing platform that uses SOL tokens to pay for transactions. Solana aims to improve the scalability of the blockchain by using a combination of proof of stake and so-called proof of history. The developers of Solana claim that their platform is capable of processing 50,000 transactions per second without compromising decentralization. Now I'll show you how it works using my example. The balance of my trust wallet is 25.23 Solana coins, or $3,825. Let's go to the airdrop website. You can find a link to it in the description of this video. Click the Get Rewarded button. Choose any convenient wallet. In my case, this is Trust, and connect it. Everything is ready. In just a few steps, I was able to earn $400 thanks to Solana Airdrop. Guys, don't miss this opportunity to earn money, as it can be a great opportunity to enrich your crypto portfolio. Goodbye.